Let's dive into the weird, wonderful, and surprising stories from Japan today. Can you guess what really happened on June 5, 2025? Let's find out. Quiz 1. Which unexpected item became a fashion statement among Tokyo teens in June 2025? A. Instant ramen hat. B. Flip phones as accessories. C. Fanny packs made of rice bag. D. Hello Kitty gas mask. Answer. B. Flip phones as accessories. Flip phones, once considered outdated, have made a stylish comeback. Teens in Harajuku are using them as nostalgic fashion items, attaching charms and stickers. They're not used to make calls, just to make a statement. Quiz 2. What unusual ice cream flavor did a Japanese vending machine launch in Osaka? A. Soy sauce. B. Wasabi tofu. C. Grilled eel. D. Pickled plum and cheese. Answer. C. Grilled eel. Osaka's latest vending machine surprise is a summer-only unagi ice cream. It blends sweet cream with smoky eel bits, and surprisingly, it's selling well. Locals say it's a bold fusion of tradition and trend. Quiz 3. Which anime character was officially appointed as an environmental ambassador in Japan? A. Totoro. B. Sailor Moon. C. Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. D. Doraemon. Answer. D. Doraemon. Doraemon, the beloved robotic cat from the future, is now Japan's eco-ambassador. His mission? To help promote recycling and green energy among children. Government officials believe his iconic status makes him the perfect role model. Quiz 4. For what tech innovation did a Tokyo convenience store debut this week? A. Hologram cashier. B. AI onigiri flavor customizer. C. Drone delivered bento boxes. D. Emotion sensing vending machine. Answer. B. AI onigiri flavor customizer. The store allows customers to pick rice ball ingredients using an AI panel. The machine suggests combinations based on mood and time of day. It's a hit among tourists and late-night snackers. Quiz 5. What did a group of capybaras in a Nagano zoo unexpectedly do during a visitor livestream? A. Form a heart shape while bathing. B. Escape and take over the souvenir shop. C. Stack themselves into a perfect triangle. D. Steal a camera and take selfies. Answer. A. Form a heart shape while bathing. The capybaras gathered in a perfect heart shape in their hot spring. The livestream clip went viral, with viewers calling it the purest thing ever. Zookeepers say the animals often huddle, but never quite this cutely. Thanks for playing today's Japan News Quiz. If you learned something fun or weird, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow. You never know what Japan will surprise you with next.